kids, welcome to my channel Easy Tricks for Study. So today we are going to learn multiplication tables of 2 and 3. Please listen carefully and try to learn it. 2 ones are. Can you guess? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are. Can you guess? 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are. Can you guess? 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are. Can you guess? 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are. Can you guess? 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are. Can you guess? 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are. Can you guess? 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are. Can you guess? 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are. Can you guess? 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are. Can you guess? 2 tens are 20. Now let's learn 3's table. 3 ones are. Can you guess? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are. Can you guess? 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are. Can you guess? 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are. Can you guess? 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are. Can you guess? 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are. Can you guess? 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are. Can you guess? 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are. Can you guess? 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are. Can you guess? 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are. Can you guess? 3 tens are 30. Now let's revise once more. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Thank you. For more such videos, like this video and subscribe the channel.